I just got a package in the mail from ChromeMods. This should be my reset glitch and Trinity reset glitch. As you can see, it looks like a hole. Well, it is a hole. I don't think there's any damage. It's packaged very well. But let's open and see for ourselves. This is the Trinity power brick I ordered with the console. There's the other cable. The console itself. That looks like that's it. Okay. I don't see anything that it doesn't look damaged at all. Everything looks fine from my view. Yeah, looks good to me. So now just gotta hook it up. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the 12-volt fan mod. I don't know if I don't think you could see it, but that's it. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna hook it up and
Alright guys,
make
I have
sure
it
it
all
works.
hooked up. I got a USB flash drive in for XEX menu. Um, so let's turn it on and make sure it works. Alright, there's XEX menu and everything seems to work fine. It's got a very fast boot time. I think that was about 7 seconds. Wasn't counting, but yeah, everything works fine and thank you very much ChromeMods. Pleasure doing business with you and hopefully more in the future. I highly recommend them. Thank you.